Wagler Motorsports Park for the Scheid Diesel Extravaganza. We're racing Pro Mod. This is the second to last event of the year. Very excited about it. The weather is perfect for racing. It's been very hot in the past for this. Should be a really exciting weekend of racing.
Now, you are currently, if I'm saying this correctly, currently Pro Mod points leader right now, right?
Yes. Currently sitting number one, I believe, by 41 points.
Gotcha. So how does that feel going into this weekend, knowing that all your consistent hard work and just keeping the nose down and just, you know, being methodical with your instrumentals? Like, how does it feel coming into this weekend knowing that?
It's a great feeling for me, because the truck's actually showing results. Like, my goal has always been to make other people be consistent. Like, if you can't get down the track or you're braking or whatever, I will beat you. So it's kind of fun that that's actually worked out. The theory of it's interesting and might be possible, but actually making it work's another thing. So the fact that it is working is pretty cool.
This weekend at Scheid, historically last year, it was like 120 degrees. It seems like it's going to be much cooler. You got a little testing in yesterday. Tell us what you think about, you know, how it's going to go this weekend.
If the track cooperates and I cooperate with the track, we should be able to go pretty fast this weekend. It'll be at least 20 degrees cooler than years past. Track temp will be way better. Everything should be better. We made some changes to the truck to add efficiency with an air-to-water intercooler instead of water injection. So combined with the nice air, we should be able to pick up horsepower with minimal changes to the truck itself.
Gotcha. So not really having to lean on it more, just
Correct.
It'll naturally make some more power.
Yep, and that's the goal, just colder air, make more horsepower.
Do you have any kind of strategy for going up for Q1 this morning?
The Q1 will be the same tune-up that went down in BG, just because I want to make sure it goes down this track with fresh prep. Past that, it's just going to be adding where I see incrementals needing more horsepower.
Looking around, it looks like we could have the potential for what could be a Duster and truck final. What do you have to say to Levon Miller? No, actually not Levon, Larson Miller, because Larson is a little more apt to get involved in some shit talking.
Well, I want to see if Larson give me the hit and see if he won't run me down.
Ooh.
Put a side bet on it, and I want to see, because Duster's way faster. He can lift it at 330 and still beat me, but he's still got to get down. So give me the hit, and let's see what happens.
I think we can convince him of that.
I think we can convince him. I'm not sure we can convince him.
Yeah, it's the others we might have trouble with.
But I think it'd be fun, because I'm way off. Like he could literally give me a whole second head start and still probably beat me. But I think it'd be something to make it interesting.
I don't know. You're not that far off. Yesterday I think they put like a 420 up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they're lifting pretty early though.
Yeah, but no, I'm just saying.
The other thing, it'd be really crazy feeling though to leave and then hear that thing coming. Like, it'll be pretty nasty.
Here at freight training. Yeah. So if you put down a solid Q1, are you gonna continue to make Q2 to look for improvements, or just put it up?
I'm doing two things. I'm here to race, but I'm also here to make improvements. So the Q1, I want to put a number on the board that I am very confident will go down to get me a nice qualifying spot, and then I'll try to see what else we can do with the track. Historically, I'm not very good at this track, so I'm not going to chip away at the 60-foot too much here. Everything will be like a second on for adding horsepower. Something about the track not getting used all that often, and it doesn't have a great rubber base. The Ralph can only do so much, so I've got to be conservative in the 60-foot. I'm going to pack it on up. I'll head up there for Q1. we're about to go into E1 for Pro Mod here at Scheid Diesel Extravaganza. I have climate change first round. He went 490 in Q3 to my 501. Got to get up on the tree, and I did add a little bit more to get back to the 90 range where we were. Pretty confident in the tune-up and should be good to go. Low 90s is my plan.
It seems like it's cooling down. Do you think that's going to help track conditions and kind of your game plan?
Oh yeah, anything that we can do for traction, I'll be very happy about. Really, I'm just ready to get the round going. They ended up pushing first round a little bit, and I had the tune-up and everything cooled down and ready to go. Now I have to start the process again. But I'm very confident the tune-up I have in it will stick really well, and we should be, if not high 80s, low 90s. So we finally added horsepower compared to what we had.
What are we doing?
You tell me, what's the game plan here? You're in the
Game
final.
plan is always to win.
Okay.
So I've loaded the tune-up in. It's either the winning tune-up or the losing tune-up, 50-50 shot. But the goal is to win. The last pass we made, it knocked the tire off, and it was our A to B tune-up that we've run on Thursday, Friday, and today, and it's going down every time we run that tune-up. So it had us scratching our heads a little bit. So we just took that tune-up and we backed some RPM out of the hit, and we moved the nitro stages out a little bit. And we're just crossing our fingers, hoping it runs right down Broadway.
Is it a 50-50 shot like a USB cable? Like you always get it wrong?
No, it's got a better chance than that, you know. So it's like you're always 100% confident that it's going to do something.
Yeah.
And you're just not 100% confident whether it's going to be the something that you want or not.
Absolutely.
But no, I feel good about it. I think it'll go. Last time we had lined up in a tire track that we didn't line up in before, so we're thinking that might have been just bit the tire too hard and caused it to wad up.
Yeah.
And you can't race on a square tire.
Can't do it. All right, well, good luck. Looks like you guys are getting ready to go up.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, brother. We got a familiar guest in the Pro Modified house, none other than Johnny Gilbert, the man himself. Johnny, tell us what you think about this final here.
I think it's going to be a good one. I think the purple car is going to probably beat the purple car. Oh, wait a minute, they both got purple, so wait a minute.
Hold on a second now.
Royalty's got a little purple, but the Firepunk guy's got a lot of purple, so I think the one with a lot of purple is going to put that smack down.